Bumakas na tayo.
Hello everyone, we are the Ilocano Squad, and let's welcome Ilocos Norte. That's right, we are here to explore and share with you the beauty of this amazing place. Ilocos Norte, we're in!
Oo, dumudulog at tinatawag na tayo ng bundok.
Tawag International Airport is another option for traveling to Ilocos Norte, especially if you prefer a quicker and more direct route by air. Tawag International Airport, located in the province of Ilocos Norte in the Philippines, is a gateway of stunning sight and rich culture of Northern Luzon.
The airport serves as a hub for domestic flights, connecting travelers to popular destinations such as Manila and Cebu. With its modern facilities and convenient location, Tawag International Airport welcomes visitors to explore the natural beauty and historical treasures of Ilocos Norte, making it an ideal starting point for an unforgettable adventure.
Dumudulog at niyayakag na tayo ng karagatan.
Welcome to Regina's Resort!
Regina's Beach Resort, it's the perfect spot to enjoy a wonderful vacation with family and friends. You can relax on the beach, take refreshing dips in the ocean, or simply soak in the breathtaking view. The resort offers cozy accommodations and various amenities to ensure a comfortable stay. Regina's Beach Resort provides the ideal setting for an unforgettable gateway in Pagudyo.
Nananabik ang puso kong masilayan ng takip silim. Nauuhaw ang kaluluwang makita ang bukang liwayway.
Kamali Grill and Restaurant, the best family restaurant that offers authentic Ilocano dishes. Make every day a feast kakailian and indulge in authentic Ilocano or Filipino flavors. Come and enjoy and dine in Ilocano way. Intayon!
Bumakas na tayo, takasan na natin ang mundo. Magtago papalayo sa mas tahimik at payapang mundo. Bumubulong ang kagubatan, lagasgas ng ilog. Dumudulog at hinahanap na tayo ng kalikasan.
Welcome to Banwar de Amyanan!
Banwar de Amyanan is a press attraction in the Ilocos Norte that showcase vintage military vehicles, a bit like taking a journey back in time to learn about the past. While having an enjoyable experience, walking around and seeing these old vehicles up close can be really fascinating. So if you're visiting this Banwar de Amyanan, don't miss out and checking it out.
City owns the echo on, my thoughts are spinning on and on my head. It seems they lead me back to you. I keep coming back to you. Took a morning ride, found a place up in my mind no one else can see. Maybe it's fate that we lose control. In circles around we go. We become who we are.
So, R&R Travel and Tours is a full-service travel agency specializing in personalized travel experience. From beach gateways to adventurous treks, our experienced agents handle all aspects of your trips, ensuring a hassle-free and memorable vacation. Travel agency bang hanap nyo? Dito na to, R&R Travel Tours.
We are R&R Travel Tours and Services, and one of our packages is here in our province, Ilocos Norte. So, one of our offers is that tourist spots in Ilocos Norte like Pagudpud, Bangli, Wimpin, Burgos, which is the Kapurpurawan, and we also included the Lapasan Dunes, the Poway Church, the Poway Lake, the Lawag City Bell Tower, and what else? We also included the Malacanang of the North and Fort Ilocandia.
You're all I need, the very air I breathe. You are, oh, 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 oh. So many questions.
Welcome to Saud Beach. Saud Beach in Pagudpud, Ilocos Norte is known as the Boracay of the North. With its stunning white sand and clear blue waters, it's a peaceful getaway from the city's noise and crowd. You can relax on the beach, swim, or try fun activities like snorkeling, banana boat ride, skimboard, free diving, and kayaking. There are also cozy places to stay and delicious seafood to eat nearby, so you can enjoy the beauty of the beach to the fullest.
I found my way home.